How to choose healthy snacks. Eating the right snacks is an important part of a healthy lifestyle. Snacking provides fuel and boosts energy levels, as well as provides little delights throughout the day. By shopping smart, making mindful decisions, and being aware of ingredients, you can easily integrate healthy snacks into your life. Step 1. Choose vegetable-based snacks. Vegetables are low-calorie, low-fat, and naturally filling snacks. They are high in fiber and potassium and can help reduce your risk for various conditions. Try mini carrots, snap peas, marinated jicama sticks, fresh pea hummus, or Parmesan-crusted zucchini fries. Step 2. Choose fruit-based snacks. Fruit offers a nutritious option to curb your sweet tooth. They are self-packaged, easy to take on the go, and great for busy people. Try apples, bananas, raisins, fruit leather, with no added sugar, or grape tomatoes. Step 3. Choose snacks that are high in protein. Protein is an essential part of a healthy diet. It works to build tissue, muscle, and bones, and slows digestion, which keeps you fuller longer. Foods high in protein include fish and chicken, beans and legumes, nuts, kale, and whole grains. Try low-fat or non-fat Greek yogurt with granola and fruit, hard-boiled eggs, Justin's peanut butter packets, cheese sticks, edamame, or whole-grain protein bars. Step 4. Choose snacks that are high in fiber. Among many health benefits, fiber-based snacks are very filling in small quantities. Foods high in fiber include oats, citrus fruits, beans, barley, whole wheat flour, potatoes, and bran. Try spiced chickpea nuts, pumpkin seeds, still in the shell, an almond honey power bar, or a cranberry nut mini loaf with flax seed. Step 5. Don't exclude sweet snacks. Healthy doesn't mean sweet-free. If you love dessert, make sure to incorporate something sweet. A few healthy ideas include fruit crumble muesli bars, nut butter brownies or the 3-ingredient brownie, apple cinnamon yogurt bites, and strawberry oatmeal bars. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.